Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can just blur the background of a video on CapCut PC without having to have like the cinematic mode on an iPhone, for instance. So add in your video to the track, and I'm just going to select the original aspect ratio for this. Right click on your video, select copy, and right click paste. Then on the second video, which is the one on top, go to cutout and select auto cutout. Then you are going to select effects and you're going to select video effects, go to lens and add in the blur effect. Now you're just going to drag this video effect and put it behind the other video, but you're just going to want to make sure the blur isn't too much because it's going to look really fake. So make sure you don't add too much blur. Maybe this is good enough. If your video is well separated from the background, you can add more, but as you can see, if I put too much, it's just going to look like super fake. So I'm just going to add in just a little bit to it. And you can even add in a halo blur to the beginning of the video, or like the blurry focus one right here. I'm just going to add it at the beginning of the video. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!